वो आपकी कौन लगते हैं? Who is he to you? Who is he to you? यही मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ। That's what I want to ask. That's what I want to ask. मुझे कुछ देर सोचने दो। Let me think for a while. Let me think for a while. मैं तुमसे परसों मिलूंगी। I will see you the day after tomorrow. I will see you the day after tomorrow. तुमने उसे बेवकूफ बनाया, है ना? You fooled him, don't you? You fooled him, don't you? कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है। Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. आप क्या कह रहे थे? What were you saying? What were you saying? किसी चीज की जरूरत हो तो बताना। Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. तो आप पार्टी कब दे रहे हो? When are you throwing the party? When are you throwing the party? क्या मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर में कॉल करूं? Can I call you after some time? Can I call you after some time? तुम मुझे ऐसे ही पसंद हो। I like you as you are. I like you as you are. तुमने फालतू में उससे पंगा लिया। You messed with him for no reason. You messed with him for no reason. मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं बोला। I didn't speak anything wrong. I didn't speak anything wrong. कभी खुद भी कर लिया करो। Sometimes do it yourself. Sometimes do it yourself. तुम खुद से कुछ नहीं करते। You do nothing by yourself. You do nothing by yourself. मैं तुमसे एक सवाल पूछता हूँ। Let me ask you one question. Let me ask you one question. मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why does it only happen to me? Why does it only happen to me? मैं यही सवाल आपसे पूछने वाली थी। I was about to ask you same question. I was about to ask you same question. वह तुम्हारी राह देख रहा होगा। He may be waiting for you. He may be waiting for you. उसने मेरे काम की तारीफ की। She appreciated my work. She appreciated my work. चलो मैं आपको छोड़ देता हूँ। Let me drop you. Let me drop you. तुम्हारे जैसे लोग मैंने बहुत देखे हैं। I have seen number of peoples like you. I have seen number of people like you. तुम फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे थे? Why were you not picking up the phone? Why were you not picking up the phone? मैंने भी यह मूवी नहीं देखी है। Even I have not seen this movie. Even I have not seen this movie. उसे डांटने के बजाय तुम मुझे डांट रहे हो। You are scolding me rather than scolding him. You are scolding me rather than scolding him. वो मुझे फोन करता रहता है। He keeps calling me. He keeps calling me. मैं कहना तो चाहता था, लेकिन कह नहीं पाया। I wanted to say, but could not say. I wanted to say, but could not say. दूसरा रास्ता जरूर होना चाहिए। There must be another way. There must be another way. मुझसे बात करते करते हिचकिचाओ मत। Don't hesitate while talking to me. Don't hesitate while talking to me. मुझे तुमसे अभी मिलना है। I have to meet you right now. I have to meet you right now.